In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download WIX website as PDF, simple. If you need a clean, shareable snapshot of your WIX site for a client, a team review, or printing, the easiest method is to use your browser's built-in Save as PDF feature. I'll walk you through the exact flow so what you download reflects the latest version of your site and looks the way you expect. Start by opening the WIX editor for the site you want to export. Make sure the page you intend to save is ready to go. Check text, images, and any sections you want visible. The PDF will mirror what the live site shows, so it's best to confirm everything is in place. Next, click Publish. This step pushes any recent edits from the editor to the live version of your site. If you skip publishing, your PDF might capture an older version. A quick tip: if you've made changes you're not sure about, you can always save first, review, and then publish so the live version matches your final draft. After publishing, click View Site. This opens the live site in your browser, which is exactly what the PDF will capture. If you see View Site more than once, such as on a confirmation banner and again in a prompt, go ahead and click through until the live page loads in a new tab. Wait a moment for all images, animations, and fonts to fully load. Now, open your browser's print dialog. On Windows, press Ctrl+P. On Mac, press Command+P. In the print window, set the destination or printer to save as PDF. Before saving, review the preview. If your design uses colored backgrounds or images, enable background graphics so your PDF matches the site's look. You can also adjust layout between portrait and landscape, tweak margins, and choose to include or remove headers and footers if you don't want the date or page URL showing. Finally, click Save, choose a folder on your computer, and name the file something clear, like the page name and date. Once it's saved, open the PDF to double-check that sections didn't get cut off and that any long pages or anchors split across multiple pages in a way that still reads well. If something looks off, return to the print dialog, adjust margins or scale, re-enable background graphics, and save again. That's it. You've published your WIX site, viewed the live version, and saved it as a polished PDF you can share or print anytime.